What's going on, guys? It's Isaac from Krietz Customs, and behind me we have a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic that we are going to go over. We're going to go over the lift, wheels, and tires. So if you guys have any questions about lifting your vehicle, you should see what we do to this one. So for this build, we added a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. That's going to allow us to fit these bigger wheels and tires, and also just raise it up and make a nice level look and give it a nice stance as well. With these tires, they're going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. So it's going to be a nice aggressive look and also give you a nice performance on the road. It's going to give you a nice quiet ride, so whenever you drive it down the road, it's not going to make a whole bunch of loud noises like a mud terrain tire would. However, it's also, like I said, it's going to give you that aggressive look with the nice, more aggressive sidewall and the bigger tread pattern. But this also is going to give you a nice long tread life as well, between 45 and 65,000 miles. The wheels on this one are going to be a 22x12 Fuel Blitz. It's going to be the gloss black and milled finish, which really is going to set off this look of this truck because the mailings on the spokes are going to match the chrome bumpers on this truck. This one's going to have a -44 offset, which gives it a really nice aggressive look by having a big lip on it. It's going to be about 4.5 to 5 inches, and also push that wheel and tire package out from the truck a little bit, giving a nice wide stance. This wheel's going to have a split spoke design, which really just wraps up the look of this vehicle and gives it a nice flare. So if you guys have any questions about what we've done to this vehicle, or like to lift your vehicle, you can give us a call at 301-694-4642, or go to our Facebook page and message us there at Krietz Customs. If you guys need any more inspiration, you can go to our gallery at KrietzCustoms.com and see all the vehicles like this one that we've built.